The greatest joy is when our client enjoy a good experiences in Singapore.
Every experience we do, we want them to leave feeling like they've enriched themselves.
It's really about a human connection, that it's just like having a friend showing the city.
Pre-COVID, we have to work with very, very big MNCs. Usually, our business is done on a business-to-business. We handle meetings and incentive groups in very, very high volume. We have to think of new way to reinvent ourselves. So we set up a new brand, Origin Journey, to curate local, authentic experiences to the local audience. We have got so many precincts in Singapore, and each precinct offers unique heritage, glorious food experiences that are special to a particular precinct. We make our tour very interesting in the sense that having a tour guide who is able to relate, share story on the heritage, on the culture.
My tours has always from day one has been very intimate and we're discovering places. So think of it as you standing at a doorstep to Singapore. When you come on this tour, you're really entering into the lives of real Singapore. We realized that it's going to take a while for visitors to come back to Singapore. And we really sat down and we said that, okay, if people can't come to Singapore, we will bring Singapore to them. And I thought about using technology. One of the first things that we did was to create a virtual tour. We didn't want to create the standard Singapore tour. One of the highlights of this virtual tour is the fact that there'll be a live segment. I will actually walk out, I'll actually show how the neighborhood looks like. People get super excited because they're seeing things in real time. They see Singapore's public housing system and they find it so fascinating.
In March, April, it was a very painful moment because you could see that the end is not even near. The entrepreneur in me said, we need to use this opportunity to transform. If you want groundbreaking products, you marry two different disparate fields. For example, tours, games, and this leads to this product called the Chinatown Murders. We try to use a very immersive game that uses the surroundings of Chinatown and have players solve puzzles, and this is weaved in together with the story of Chinatown through character telling.
It is not easy because to local, many of them feel that they have seen all. So we have to come up with unusual experiences and we have to deal with many new partners. Pivoting from B2B to B2C, our team has to pick up digital marketing skill. So it's a very steep and long learning curve for us.
Guides have been doing guiding in a certain way, but this game is very different. Guides have to be excellent storytellers, a good game facilitator, but they also have to be performers. Everything we created during this pandemic period, these are all proven products. If it works with the locals, it'll be good enough as well for the business traveller.
We have to keep reinventing. We have to not only attract the local customer, we also want to appeal to our international audience.
There's so much possibilities in this new type of tours. You get a whole new audience, you get a whole new reach. And this opens up a whole new market.
Everybody has an innate desire to explore and to discover.
I would say try to have an open mind, go out, enjoy, explore, discover and rediscover.
There's just so many facets to Singapore that is still waiting to be uncovered. You join the pieces together, it just makes the Singapore story so much more complete.